Loss of cartilage, whether due to aging, genetics, osteoarthritis, and/or athletic injuries, is a debilitating condition that severely limits mobility and daily activities. Loss of cartilage can lead to weight gain and other related health issues, creating a cycle that's hard to break. One effective way to combat this is through a comprehensive lifestyle change. Lowering stress, drastically improving diet, and engaging in meaningful exercises, particularly strength training. A targeted rehabilitation plan that includes movements like barbell deadlifts can significantly improve the condition by building leg muscles to better support weakened knees and enhancing hormone profiles that aid in osteoarthritis recovery. While these efforts are crucial for long-term maintenance, there's now a promising new procedure that could help speed up the recovery process. It's important to note that this procedure does not replace the need for naturally building muscle mass in your legs, which is essential for long-term joint health. However, it could be an excellent option for many orthopedic patients looking to avoid knee replacement surgery. So, let's delve into this topic and explore how combining a solid rehabilitation plan with this new procedure can provide an effective strategy for improving joint health and overall well-being. Northwestern Engineering scientists have made a significant advancement in the field of regenerative medicine by developing a new bioactive material that has successfully regenerated high-quality cartilage in the knee joints of a large animal model, specifically sheep. This breakthrough could pave the way for new treatments that prevent the need for full knee replacement surgeries and address degenerative diseases like osteoarthritis. Despite its appearance as a simple, rubbery substance, the material is a complex network of molecular components designed to mimic the natural environment of cartilage in the body. When applied to damaged cartilage in the animal's knee joints, the material demonstrated remarkable results within just 6 months. Researchers observed the growth of new cartilage containing essential biopolymers like collagen II and proteoglycans, which are crucial for maintaining pain-free joint function. The study, which published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences during the week of August 5, suggests that with further development, this material could be used in human treatments. The material could potentially be applied during open joint or arthroscopic surgeries to regenerate hyaline cartilage, the type necessary for functional joints, rather than the less durable fibrocartilage typically produced by current surgical methods like microfracture surgery. The material was tested in sheep, whose knee joints share similarities with human knees in terms of weight bearing and mechanical load. The successful regeneration of high-quality cartilage in this model is a promising indicator of how the treatment might perform in humans. This innovative material, developed under the guidance of Samuel I. Stupp, a pioneer in regenerative nanomedicine, comprises a bioactive peptide and modified hyaluronic acid. These components work together to create a scaffold that encourages the body's own cells to regenerate cartilage tissue. Looking forward, this new approach to cartilage repair could revolutionize the treatment of joint injuries and degenerative conditions, offering a long-term solution that restores mobility and reduces pain without the need for invasive joint replacement surgeries.